All right, I guess we should talk about cooking. So the microwave, as well as being a microwave, is also a convection oven. So if you want to bake some cookies, you can. For stovetop, you have two ways. Okay, you can either use the induction stove. If you've ever used induction, it's the only way to go. In my opinion, it's fantastic. But if you're boondocking and you don't really want to use induction because you don't really have the power, then you have a gas stove. Okay, so you can use one at the same time, one or both, or all the stuff. Here is light switches and fan. There's a fan. There's a light strip that does that. That's pretty cool, right? Around the cabinets, the sink light and the hall light. Okay, I think there's so you can either have it down, which is dim, or all the way up, which is bright. Okay, that's it. There's some good stuff in here, some cooking equipment, utensils, frying pans, all that good stuff is there for you, ready to go. The sinks are right here. Just open them up. The kitchen roll hangs from behind the TV. You can, if you grab this side of the TV, it actually pulls and you've got a secret compartment where you can put more kitchen roll. Okay. And then it just closes up there. Another sound bar. I guess somebody is serious about their sound quality, right? Under the sink is just more storage space. All right, moving on. I think it's time to show you the slide next.